Saving then for our Photoshop document, we're going to look at image size here first. And I know I've done him correctly to do a print one because I have 300 resolution. And that means it's going to print at 15 inches and not be pixelated over there. But to put on our website then, we're going to go back to image size and we're going to change the resolution to 72 and we're going to change the height and width to under 10 inches for your biggest one. So our biggest one here is 15.4. I'm going to just go ahead and make him 9. And you know you've done it right if it was on your full screen and it went to really, really tiny. So you can see that it jumped from big to little. And when we save for web, we go to export, save for web, and we're looking at it here as a JPEG. Usually we do a JPEG unless we're doing animation. A JPEG, and the size should be under 100. So that's 52.52, and I have it medium. If I put it maximum, then it's really going to be too big. It's going to be, and your blog is going to have a hard time reading it. So maximum, it says it's like 400. Very high is like 200. High is like 100. So that's why I have it set for medium here, because then it's under 100. So it's 52.52K, and I click save, and I make sure that I put a W in with it. W bird 10, and I'm going to put that in my folder, which was example. There's all my W birds. W bird, and those are my bird PSDs, and you should have both in your folder, and then click save. So you're all going to go and do that to your bird, and then open up your Google Chrome, sign into your blog, and then you're going to click new post once you've signed into your blog, and click the one that looks like a landscape photograph, have it on upload, and go find your files. And the one I just did that isn't up there is bird number 10. And if you get an X here, that means it's too big. You didn't save it right. That you need to go back and follow that JPEG, the 72 dots per inch, the under 10 inches, and when you add it, then it should show up on your screen. You can name it. You could just, today, if you don't want to write anything underneath them, then you can call it whatever you want. This is bird number 10. And that's all I'm going to put there, and click publish. And I'm not going to share him. That if I did something exciting, I would. And then I can view him on my digital blog. And there it is. And then there's the how-to with all my other birds. What questions do you have? All right, I'm saving this, and I'm going to put it right now into your go ahead and load it into YouTube and put it in your lessons folder. So next time that you do this, if you're having trouble saving for web, you can pull this video up. And that's what it's going to be called, the saving for web.